3, 2, 1 and here we go. सलाम नमस्ते 90.4 सामुदायिक रेडियो स्टेशन पर दोस्तों आपका फिर से स्वागत है ढेर सारी शक्ति के साथ और मैं कहूंगी कुछ कर गुजरने के जज्बे के साथ। आपकी शक्ति मुझे लगता है नाम बहुत इतना बड़ा है कि आपको वो फीलिंग से बड़ा समझ में आएगा। आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक टू अ लेडी who has a charismatic smile, who in herself is a charismatic persona, but more than that, she's a very lively person. And when we would speak to her, you will get to know that life is one and you should have so many missions and visions in life. So let us please welcome with a cheerful smile, the lady of the day, Salam Shakti, for the day. And ma'am, heartiest welcome to your radio. Salam Namaste.
Thank you so much. It feels so great to be here and talking to you like on this beautiful show, Salam Shakti. And बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, like seeing you, and then it's a great platform, I guess, to speak about yourself.
Yes,
and then
absolutely.
yes, I'm looking forward to this beautiful. Yes.
Yes. We'll request you please tell us about yourself and your journey of life, such a wonderful journey to our listeners.
So basically, I'm a makeup artist and a choreographer, and it's been 11 years now I'm into this profession. And the journey is like, it's been a great journey, I would say, with lots of ups and downs in life. And but yes, you learn from your ups and downs, and that's the way, that's the thing which makes you really strong in life. And then the kind of person I am right now, it's because of my ups and downs, my experiences. So yes. And I'm into fashion industry also. So I've like done many corporate shows in fashion, like the Tynes company, and then many corporate companies altogether. And other than that, I just won this Mrs. Capital of India first runner-up title 2019. So I feel blessed. I feel good about it, and it has given me a really great opportunities in life, and I feel really blessed to achieve like so much in life. I'm really blessed. Yes,
absolutely wonderful. We will surely come to this title winning, which has been definitely the U-turn of your life. Before that, let us know, what do you think has been the most sparkling point of your life, that you have been into fashion and makeup? This entire world is full of sparkles. So where do you think that आपका career एक बहुत शानदार point पर आया, जहाँ से आपको लगता है कि that good that has happened and I'm so blessed. So वो point क्या था?
To be very honest, I never wanted to be a makeup artist in life. I always, a person who wanted to do something like maybe in the doctorate field or something like that. But maybe after my schooling, and I saw many of I was a very dumb child basically, and a very ungroomed person. And then I wanted to just bring the best self. So I really thought that why shouldn't I just go for this cosmetology, course? And I'm a cosmetologist as well. So the main criteria, the main purpose of life was to be a cosmetologist, and maybe later on I would get into some skin things and all. But maybe like by seeing so many glamorous people all around, I thought that I should get into such sort of glamour, and then I opted for this makeup artistry course. And then since then only, it's been 11 years. I told you the journey has been really amazing and absolutely sparkling. I would not say a single day of my life after that has been simple or basic. It's been sparkling every single day. Yes.
Wonderful. I think I could see that twinkle in your eye when you speak about your journey, and that's where we feel so complete. And heartiest congratulations, because the moment you feel that your journey is complete and another great journey is about to start, that's what makes our life so fulfilling. Now let's come to becoming the brand ambassador of Sai Entertainment. I mean, getting this title is such a dream for people, and you definitely owned it, you deserved it, and you received it. But how has been the experience and the feeling of the most special person and heading the group? So as an ambassador, representing the group as an ambassador, how is the experience and the feeling?
Absolutely wonderful, I will say, because Rinki, I remember she called me like a year back, and she was like, Neha, I saw your profile, and then I think I need to talk to you, something regarding this, she told me about the Sai Entertainment Company, and then everything about, what they're doing, and then what they're promoting. And then I was a little surprised, and why me? I mean, so she said, yeah, I don't know, something is there. I think we need to meet in person. And then I think there's something in you, then I really want you to be a part of this Sai Entertainment Company. And I was like, really, I felt really good about it. And then we met, and then, yes, that was the point. And she's a wonderful person, I would say. And I feel really blessed that I am an ambassador of this amazing brand. And she's doing wonders to many other lives also. She's promoting so many women out there, who's actually looking for some platform, to promote their talent, to promote their things. जो बहुत मुश्किल होता है एक lady के लिए, to come out of the comfort zone and, to get that platform to, to actually showcase their things, showcase their talent, showcase their work. So she's doing wonders in her life, absolutely. And I'm so blessed to be a part of it as a brand ambassador. And honestly, it has changed my life to a certain extent. And she has given me that platform, I know that I have a platform to speak about myself, to share my thoughts, to certain amount of, category of people out there who can actually looking for some sort of advice, or maybe seeking for some sort of, acknowledgement in their life. And I really feel happy for that. She's
Wonderful.
doing amazing,
Absolutely.
doing wonders, yes.
Absolutely, yes. Without any doubt, she's a very wonderful person and a wonderful soul, and who connects with so many people, giving them the right kind of platform and stage they all deserve for. Now that so many achievements to your name, the glamour, the sparkle, being the brand ambassador, the celeb face, what next? What runs in your mind that, ये अभी बाकी है, अभी मुझे करना है, वो क्या चीज़ है?
Honestly, I always go with the flow of life. I never plan things. I never set certain amount of target in my life. But yeah, definitely what I really want to do in life is to spread light, honestly, to spread light in others' life, to tell all the women out there, see, if you get married, if you have children, there's an end to your life. There's like more to it. So go ahead, get up and look around you. People are there to help you. Some women are there who just who are absolutely looking for some sort of acknowledgement, some sort of, fame in their life. I remember last year I got a call from when I won this pageant. So I got a call after this pageant from a contestant out there. And she said that, I've been looking out your profile and then looking at all your pictures, and I feel so good about getting so much in your life, getting so many achievements, awards and everything in your life. But the thing is that, can you guide me that how can I also win all of this? How can I also get so much of fame? And I really felt sad about that point, that why do you want to get famous? It's not important to be famous to be effective. If you really want to do something in your life, just go ahead with the flow of life. Fame is something which is keeping us behind. It's famous hona important nahi hai. Effective hona bhi bahut important hai, I believe. And just focus, like whatever you feel like doing. Fame, apne aap, I think it comes along with that. So you should always focus on something which you really want to do in life. Follow your passion, follow, whatever you want to do in life. That's more important instead of just getting famous in whichever way you want to be. So yes, that's more important, to follow your dreams, to follow your passion, to do whatever you feel like, and there's no age to it. There's no, there's no end to it. Kuch nahi hai ki shaadi ho jaye, so you cannot follow anything. I think start from this much, and then gradually you can definitely reach that point jahan pe you will be famous, but that should not be your focus to be famous every time. Be effective, I would say. With maybe kam logo ke beech mein, but be effective. वो बहुत important है.
Yes, I think बहुत जबरदस्त बात कही आपने कि कम हो मगर दम हो, है ना?
दम हो, exactly.
यस मतलब भीड़ की जरूरत नहीं है, एक अकेले से भी काफिला शुरू होता है, मगर दम होने वाली बात है। तो इसीलिए आपके इर्द गिर्द आपका जो पीयर ग्रुप है वो बहुत इंस्पायरिंग होना चाहिए, इक्वल माइंडसेट वाला होना चाहिए, सिमिलर वाइब्स वाला होना चाहिए, एंड दिस इज व्हाट मेक्स लाइफ परफेक्ट. So I'm feeling so inspired after speaking with you, and I'm sure that more sparkles to your name are yet to come. Picture अभी पूरी बाकी है, बहुत कुछ बाकी है अभी लाइफ में करना. So before we can wrap up and do a promise to meet very soon again, what
Absolutely.
message would you like to give to every woman? What is that you think that they missed today, और ये जरूर करना चाहिए उन्हें अपनी लाइफ में? So the real Shakti lies where? A message to all the women.
I really want everyone to know that see, confidence बचपन से नहीं होता, कोई confidence लेके पैदा नहीं होता. It comes with experience, right? So
Yes.
just start that journey. चाहे वो late शुरू हो, चाहे वो जल्दी शुरू हो जाए, just be on that journey. Do whatever you feel like doing in life. Don't think about what others are thinking about you, because it will not going to affect you in any way, not going to affect your life in any way. Just do whatever you feel like doing and live your life to the fullest. And I think your experiences will make you the confident person in your life. So yes, just follow your dreams, follow your passions, and love your life, love yourself, I would say. Not life, I would say, but yes, start loving yourself more than anyone else around you. Yes.
Perfect. So wonderful. And I got so much of food for thought for life today from you. Keep walking, keep exploring, but then don't forget to love yourself, because the first step of understanding life is love for ourselves. We cannot love ourselves, and we will not be able to understand love for others. Thank you so much for joining us. And of course, a big thanks to Rinki Ji and Sai Entertainment. I look forward for another great interaction. Until then, thank you so much.